Sabi sa ombudsman na wala silang anumang dokumento o record na nagpapakita na ako ay nagpasok ng anumang insertion sa 2025 national budget. Ang mahalagang impormasyon nito ay kinilala pa mismo ni dating Senate Blue Ribbon Chairman Senator Panfilo Lacson bilang isang makabuluhang ebidensya na sumasalungat sa mga alegasyong binabato laban sa atin. So how can the office of the Ombudsman file a plunder case against me when I am not even alleged to be part or the mastermind of the supposed scheme? Wala po akong kinalaman dyan. Ngayon pa lang po isa sa publiko ito. Maraming beses po ako inalok na talikuran ang independent majority bloc kapalit ang pagbabasura sa aking kaso. Ngunit, hindi ko po ito tinanggap. Mas nanaig ang paninindigan ko na ako'y manatili sa hanay ng mga kasamahan ko sa independent majority bloc. I stand my ground. Ngayon kung tatuloyin nyo kung sino sila, abangan ninyo ang susunod na kabanata. I stand my ground because what is at stake here goes far beyond my personal circumstances. What is at stake here is the independence of the Senate. This institution must never become vulnerable to external pressure. It must remain free from political coercion, free from undue influence, and free from any scheme designed to weaken its constitutional role as a co-equal and independent branch of government. If this is the price I must pay for the decisions I have made and the principles I have chosen to uphold, then I am prepared to face the consequences, however difficult they may be, especially for my family. I will not be broken by accusations, nor will I yield to political pressure. I will meet these charges head-on, defend my honor through due process, and place my faith in the truth. I will be proceeding now to the CIDG to voluntarily surrender myself. Maraming salamat.